What is up, guys? This is Nate again with Mud Digger Off-Road, and we're just bringing this new project to you guys. It is a 2019 Nissan Titan that ended up having a bunch of paint issues from the factory. So it was actually some warranty work, but the customer decided to go ahead and do a full body bed liner in an olive green. You can see there the paint actually chipping off the body. So right now we're just doing a full strip. Everything just like you would for paint for the most part. Big difference with bed liner is it's really tough to get into the door jambs and the tight seams because it is a lot thicker and rougher than a traditional paint. So we've got to keep in mind all the weather stripping, sealing, all that good stuff. There's actually some sections on this body that actually do have some decent paint yet, but especially up on the roof and the fenders and whatnot, it's quite literally flaking off there. So Tyler's just starting to get everything stripped down here. Headlights off, grill, bumpers. We're going to pull the bed off here in a moment. We just got to pulling the bed off here. Luckily, we've got use of a couple of different forklifts depending on what we need. We've got this this articulating bobcat that one of our our buddies or partner companies lets us use here whenever we need for some things like this. And then we've got our shop forklift as well, but it just rained a couple days prior, and we've gotten the shop forklift stuck in the yard more than a couple of times, so we didn't want to risk it. And it's an electric forklift, so it's not very nice as far as feathering the throttle. It's either a go or a no-go. So we've got that bed pulled off here, got it strapped up. We're setting it on these tires. We're going to finish stripping the bed out here, and then we're actually going to do a full sandblast on the bed. It's just going to be a little bit quicker as far as stripping that paint off as opposed to using a DA and sanding it down.
How are my forks on that? I can't see my forks right now.
Can you tilt down a little bit more and back up?
I would
right there and
back out.
And
Yeah,
then back up.
out a little bit.
I can't even undo the ratchet strap. Yep, you're. Whoa. Come back in. I didn't realize you tied the fucking strap to it. What a goofy goof.
I didn't tie it, I just put it there.
Oh, I see that.
I mean,
Alright, you're good. You can back up.
the bitch is on E! I'm gonna go put it back and act like I didn't use it.
Drive to the gas station.
This thing will be ready to start getting stripped down here, or start getting sanded.
Oh yeah.
that the valance?
Yeah.
Are you spraying that too? Right now?
Yeah. I don't have room to get it up off the ground on anything. So I'm gonna try to spray the flares, and then I'm gonna spray the grill, and hopefully the flares are half-ass dry so I can move them and set them over there.
Gotcha.
It's irritating.
I wouldn't fucking worry about it, honestly. Yeah.
a grill?